What's up, guys? This is Money Farm Tech, and today I'm gonna go over my most profitable app right now, which is YooWatch right here. And what you're seeing, these four apps right now are the YooLotto apps. They're probably the most passive and most profitable apps out there right now. And the newest one that it just came out with is called YooWatch, and I'm running that on pretty much all my phones, making really decent money. But as far as you guys going ahead and downloading it and starting with it, I would have a couple suggestions you might want to try. I've heard some people had problems with, as far as they'd let it run and they'd get a "Are you watching" screen. So here's my suggestion. My whole phone farm has been started off with YooLotto. That's the first app that I installed. Now, when you download YooWatch, your points, you can't see them on the app. You have to actually open this app, YooLotto, and you can actually see how many points you get. So after you download it from the Google Play Store, because this is only available on Android, it'll pop up on your main screen like this. Once you make an account and enter in a referral code, you'll come to this screen right here. And this screen is going to show you how many U-Bucks you have. Now, U-Bucks converted into dollars, every U-Buck is 1 cent. So if you're looking at this right now, I got 5,536 U-Bucks. If I go to cash out, $55.36. Now, if you want to run YooWatch, this is what I suggest you do, because these were the conditions that I had before I started using YooWatch, and I've had nothing but success with YooWatch. So what I would suggest, no matter how many phones you got, I would suggest downloading YooLotto first before you download YooWatch. And if you don't have an account already, make an account. And I wouldn't even think it would be a bad idea to run YooLotto, maybe for a little bit, and just see your U-Bucks go up. You know, it doesn't have to be that much, but use the app. And then when you're done using the app and you're logged in on all your phones that you're using in your phone farm got YooLotto, then download YooWatch. Because here's how YooWatch works. And if you look at, this is what I noticed. The main screen for the video section, if you go to earn cash, I'm on the YooLotto app right now. And then you'll click watch and earn. You can click this. This will give you pretty much a cent. I already did this. But if you click watch and earn, this is your video section. Now take a look at YooWatch. When I launch YooWatch, it's going to ask me, sometimes, oh, it started automatically. But I want to show you guys the menu. Should say browse content. There you go. Click on that. Look at that main screen. Is that not identical to YooLotto? Got the same pig, same channel kind of layout. It's almost a clone. But it's interesting because it works just like YooTv. YooTv is another app that YooLotto has, and it works just like YooWatch does. Because, oh, it's saying it's uninstalled. That's nice. Let's see if I can pull it up over here. Okay. I might have to do an update. But while I'm doing that, it's got the same layout, guys. And what happens is, when you're using YooWatch, your points that you accumulate in YooWatch, they go to your YooLotto account. So I think it would be a great idea if you guys wanted to use this app, make a YooLotto account first, use it a little bit, make some U-Bucks, and then start using YooWatch, because you're going to use the same login. These accounts tie into each other. And that's just the same way that YooTv works. Let's see, it says it's installed. Let's see if I can do it on here. Alright, cool. So this is launching right now. Let me see if I can get to the home menu on this. Hope it doesn't give me problems. Yeah, it's giving me problems. Okay, let's see. But anyways, so these two apps, YooWatch and YooTv, the points you accumulate go into your YooLotto account. So these three apps are pretty much all tied together. Now, YooLotto, the company that makes these apps, has another app called YooRewards, but this one is on a totally different point scale. But I just wanted to point that out to you guys. Now, a lot of people, I've noticed, report earnings different from like area to area. So based on where you are, you might have a different experience. You might, and I would suggest downloading all these and trying every one and see which one works best for you. Because some people say, oh yeah, YooRewards works great for me, but I can't get these two to earn. Or YooTv, yeah, that's the best one. For me, YooLotto's been the best one. I have problems with this crashing, and I have problems with YooRewards logging in, and all kinds of other stuff. But YooLotto has been really good to me, and that's what I was using on a lot of my phones before I downloaded YooWatch. So I just wanted to point that out to you guys. I thought that was pretty interesting. Oh, they did have an update. This looks just like... See, now they had a different screen before. They had a bunch of different categories. It was like this, like different categories, and you could pick one. So it looks like they're pretty much streamlining everything. Look at the... Okay, so this is YooTv. This is your YooLotto, and let's open YooWatch. Browse content. Check that out. Is that not streamlined or what? But if you notice, the points aren't here on YooTv and YooWatch. There's no points, because any points you make on these two apps is gonna go into your YooLotto account. So I would suggest making a YooLotto account first before you make a YooWatch account. Now, I've heard nothing but good things from YooWatch. I've been running YooWatch only for maybe 2-3 days, and it's been making me a lot of money. Like, I'm used to YooLotto, and I was happy making like $3, maybe $5 a day. Now I'm making like anywhere from $15 to $20 a day, depending on the day. I noticed too that the ads do slow down after a while, so you're going to want to reset your cache. You're going to want to restart your phone. Those are going to help. I haven't I haven't redid my Google ad. I didn't do that. You can actually go in. Let me show you on one of these phones. See, this is actually, I'm running YooLotto right now. I kind of switched things up when I got home, because I've been grinding the crap out of YooWatch, and I'm like, well, maybe I should give YooWatch a little break. And I threw everything onto YooLotto. And what's interesting, I found out about YooLotto. Now, I've got about 60 phones. When I go into my YooLotto account through all these phones, I can actually get a bump of like 25 to 30 cents after I'm done resetting all my phones, which is kind of interesting. But I just wanted to show you that I think downloading YooLotto first and then downloading YooWatch you might have more success, and you might not run into the issue that a lot of people have been seeing, where they have a "Are you still watching" screen. Because I have, honestly, I have never seen a "Are you still watching" screen. And with my conditions, I have been running YooLotto on all my phones. All my phones have YooLotto installed on them. All my phones, I'm logged in already to YooLotto. And before I downloaded YooWatch, those were my conditions. So maybe if you copy the conditions, maybe you'll have better luck not getting that "Are you still watching" screen. So I just thought I'd throw that out there. But yeah, man, guys, this is like, I'm so tempted to cash it out, but I want to like kind of bank on it. I do want to cash out at the beginning of before the beginning of the month, and I'd like to bank up my bucks just to show you guys how much, it's a little money each day. It's like, $5, $10, $3, $2, whatever you're making, how many ever phones you got. I just like to show you guys, like, what the total is. Like, if you didn't cash out the whole month, what you're looking at. Because you'll see, like, it's really cool, man. Really cool. But anyways, I wanted to share that with you guys. I thought that was, I was thinking about it, and I'm like, well, maybe this is it. Maybe this is what you want to do. Because, like, if you just made a YooWatch account and you don't even have YooLotto on your phone, you're not going to be able to cash out. You're not going to be able to check your points. I mean, you're just running blind. So why not just download YooLotto on all your phones first? Make your account if you don't already have one, or log into your account if you already got one. And then once you're done doing that, maybe let it run a little bit, then download YooWatch, then start using it. And just check in from time to time. You only need one phone. Pop in and you could check your total. And it's really, really cool. So I thought this would help. I was just thinking about it. It was killing me all night. I wanted to make a video. I'm really excited about this new app and everything that's going on with phone farming. We still got, like, I know this is for YooLotto that I made this video, but we're still waiting on this one, this More TV Time. That's supposed to be a really cool app. They're working on all the bugs. They've been working with us phone farmers. They want to see us, treated better, which is really cool. I really appreciate that. Mingle Cash is doing that. But anyways, guys, I'll try to leave some links down below. Otherwise, super simple. You could just go to the Play Store and you just type in YooLotto, just like that. And remember, this is only Android. You can't do this on any iOS or your iPhone or whatever. To see if once I popped in YooLotto, I got 3 other apps that came up: YooRewards, YooTv, and YooLotto. You don't see YooWatch. I noticed you gotta actually type in YooWatch if you want to find that. YooWatch. Oh, you want to make it one word. Just like that. No spaces. There we go. Popped up right away. YooWatch. Then that's the new one. I already got it on my phone, so. But alright, guys. That's it for this video. Hope you found any of that helpful. Oh, real quick, if you wanted to run these apps, just a little tip. Or this is what I do. I mean, I don't know if it's 100% works, but I never put my phones on all the way dark. I know you can, save money, but they pretty much make everything with LED nowadays, and they don't consume that much electricity. But I've actually got a message one time from the U apps that said my brightness was too low or something like that. So what I did was I just kicked it up a notch. And then when I'm playing the ads, so like this one's running an ad right now, or this one, my volume is the same thing. It's not all the way down, it's just a little bit up. And then if you don't want to hear all that sound, you could just get a fake, like a dummy 3.5 millimeter, and just pop it in your phone right there, and then you don't have to hear it, which I have on almost all my phones. They're not that expensive though. You can pick them up on Amazon, or not that much. Real cheap fix to not hearing what looks like a crowd of people yelling when you have a freaking ton of apps going. But yeah, these are all YooLotto right now. Not doing too bad, but I'm definitely going to throw everything back on YooWatch. I'm just giving it a short break. So I hope you guys found some helpful information in this video, and good luck with the new app. Hope it works good for you in your location. Until the next video, I'll see you. Take it easy.